Connecting an alcohol tester to a dash cam. Connecting an alcohol tester with an RS-232 cable. Connecting an RS-232 cable to a dash cam. Select port based on the actual connection. Select device type. Set the baud rate to 9600. Set the alarm upload video channel. Choose unit. Set the alarm trigger threshold. Press the central button and wait until the voice prompt sounds.
Please blow air.
Blow until the beeping stops.
Alcohol checking.
Alcohol detected.
Alcohol test passed. Please drive safely.
Check alert inform on CMS V6.